You might feel okay, but stress is already damaging your heart, shrinking your brain, and wrecking your immune system. And you even do not know it. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Nderitu, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to look at how stress is silently destroying your body. What is stress? Stress is your body's response to any demand or threat. The demand could be real or could just be perceived threat. It triggers a fight or a flight mode. And this is how your body is built. That when you have a situation that is life-threatening, you are preparing to fight or to run away. And this reaction involves the brain, the hormones, the nerves, and even the blood vessels. Short-term stress is meant for survival, but chronic stress, that's where the danger begins. So what happens when you have this chronic stress? In the physical body, your heart, it raises your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and also increases your risk of getting heart attack and stroke. In the gut, it can cause you to get ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, and even acid reflux. Then immunity. It suppresses your immune system, making you more prone to infections. Then weight. It causes weight gain around the belly through elevated cortisol levels. Then your hormones. It disrupts reproductive hormones, making you have fertility problems. In men, it can make them have erectile dysfunction, and in ladies causes low libido and poor sexual response. In your skin and hair, it triggers acne, eczema, and even hair loss. Then in mood and mental health, stress increases your risk of getting anxiety, it increases your risk of getting depression, and also increases burnout. It impairs your memory and also your decision-making capacity. So when you are stressed, you try to learn new information, you find that you forget most of it, and this is detrimental to you. It also increases your irritability, helplessness, and also emotional numbness. Your response to situations is very flat. You are not happy, you are not excited by anything. Life is just flat. Then your daily behavior and activities. What happens when you are stressed? You have poor sleep and insomnia, you overeat or you have no appetite. Then there is social withdrawal or aggression. You overreact to situations. Then you have reliance to substances like alcohol, cigarette, or drugs. How does stress present in the healthcare system? You may present with headache, neck or back pains. Usually most of the headache that you feel people talking from the back, they are usually stress headaches. Then you have fatigue with no clear cause. Then you have stomach problems like bloating or cramps. Then you may have chest tightness and palpitations. Then you have frequent colds or flu. You may have insomnia or oversleeping. Then you have loss of interest in previously enjoyed activities. Some of the hidden causes of stress include workplace pressure, financial struggles, relationship conflicts, chronic illness or caregiving, social media overload, and the unresolved trauma or loss. How do you manage stress? We have talked about cognitive behavior therapy, which helps you to rewire your thought patterns. We have mindfulness and meditation. This helps calm stress center of the brain. Then we have exercises. Help you release endorphin, the feel-good hormones that naturally combat stress. Then you have sleep hygiene, repair and recovery during rest. And then social support, talking to trusted people, which reduces cortisol and helps you to calm down. Then professional help, you can go to your doctor, your therapist, or even join a support group. How do you prevent stress? Can stress be prevented? Yes. It is important that you learn how to build a resilient life. So start your day with gratitude and quiet reflections. These are things that you can build as part of your daily habits, and they will help you that you are not living on edge. When you meditate, when you do things like yoga, your body calms down. Then exercising helps you to release the feel-good hormones, overcome stress, and sometimes when you are jogging, you get ideas on some of the things that have been bothering you. Then learning how to journal. It is important to learn to put things on paper, not in your head. Don't make your head a basket of things. Then eat whole foods like whole grains, and which have plenty of nutrients, and they are also rich in fiber. Then avoid caffeine and sugar overload. This make your stress worse. Set boundaries. Learn to say no. You cannot take up everything that comes your way. And you say no without feeling guilty. You need to protect yourself and provide alternatives. Take break from screens and social media. Don't spend too much time on social media. Only spend it when necessary, and also have regular breaks. Then pray, journal, or practice your spiritual routines. And let this be a habit that you practice on a daily basis. Then stay connected. Having that emotional connection helps you overcome stress, and it has been shown that people who have good social connections, they live longer, they avoid diabetes, they avoid hypertension. And those people who have no connections, they are like someone smoking 15 cigarettes per day. Avoid that. Then schedule joy. Make time for hobbies and family. So, stress is a silent thief. It robs your joy, it robs your health and your ear if you let it to. You don't have to. So take one small step today to reclaim your peace. Your mind, your body, your family. They all need the healthiest version of you. Why not give them? So subscribe and follow for more life-saving tips. Thank you.